Hi, here's how you tie the bowline. You take the rope and you start by making an overhand loop. The working part is over the standing part. Next, form a bite with the working end, and then you take the working end, you tuck it through the eye of the overhand loop, and then you wrap it around the standing part like this. Next, you tuck it back through the eye of the loop, and finally you pull and tighten. A great mnemonic or memory device to help you remember how to tie the bowline once you have the overhand loop is to imagine the working end as the head of a rabbit or a snake. For instance, the snake comes out of the hole, around the tree, whereas the standing part's the tree, and back through the hole. And then just tighten. And there you have the bowline. The bowline is a great non-slip knot. It's very secure. Here's how you would tie the bowline around things like trees or poles. First, start with the overhand loop, but before you tie off the rest of the bowline, you go around the object that you're tying, and then you just do everything as before. The snake comes out of the hole, around the tree, and back through the hole. Then you pull, and there you go. What makes the bowline a secure knot is that it's a fixed knot. It's not like the top line hitch or the two half hitches. It's not adjustable. You can't adjust it. And that's a defining feature of the bowline. So that's why it's also good to tie around people in emergencies, because if you tie something that's unfixed and adjustable, it may really squeeze and hurt the person that you're rescuing. If you're interested, I have a tutorial of how to tie the bowline a faster way, something that my grandfather taught me, something that he picked up when he was in the Navy.